Hey there everyone, Aaron Spalsbury here at 3X Logic. Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up your own custom personalized live view within the remote client software here. So you can see I've connected up to a couple of different servers. I've kind of arranged these cameras on the screen. Of course you can mix and match and do these whichever way you want. You know, all of the basic Windows functionality is here. For instance, if I said, hey, I'd rather have this camera up here, you can simply drag it and drop it and move all of these cameras around and essentially create whatever screen split that you want it to be. Now once you have these all arranged the way that you like them, well of course it sure would be nice to be able to come back to this one screen the way that I've got them arranged right now with the simple click of a button without having to manually do this every single time. And in fact, there is a way to do that. Once you have your live screen set up the way that you want, displaying the cameras that you were looking for and of course the sizes and everything else that you want, you can then come up to the top of the screen and click Save View. Once you click Save View, of course pops open this little screen. Of course you have to name it at this point, so I'll go ahead and call this Aaron's View, right? Because that is the view that I have here. So now what you can do, and I'll go ahead and just close that. I'll also close all live just so you can see what it looks like when you initially come into it. So when you initially come back into your software, over here off to the left side of the screen you have a Views tab. Well, of course the one I just saved was titled Aaron's View, so I'll go ahead and highlight that guy and then click Display. This will then bring up all of those cameras and take us right back to the view that we had before. That way you can have things like, for instance, individual views. You may have one labeled parking lots and one labeled entry doors or one labeled registers, and you can group all of your cameras from multiple servers all together so you can simply bounce back and forth between all of these views without having to manually select these each and every time you go into the remote client software. That's really all there is to saving a view on the client software, guys. We'll see you on the next video.